Question 1. A train completes a journey at an average speed of 60 km per hour in 10 hours. On a trip, it develops a fault after 4 hours of journey. Repair takes 2 hours. Remaining distance is covered at an average speed of 40 km per hour. How much late train arrival at destination is expected? Answer number A 4 hours, B 5 hours, C 6 hours, and D is 10 hours. Question 2. An athlete runs 10 meter in a second. A tiger runs 200 meter in a minute. A bike goes 1 kilometer in 2 minutes. A car goes 35 km per hour. Who is slowest? Answer A athlete. Answer B tiger. C is bike. And D is a car. Question 3. After giving 25% discount on tag price, a shopkeeper gains rupees 50 on an article. If the cost price is rupees 325, what is the tagged price? Answer A 400, answer B 600, C is 550 and D is 500 rupees. Question 4. If 40% of a figure is equal to 50% of another figure, the figures are A 190, B 200 and 150, C 300 and 200. Answer D is 500 and 400. Question 5. A father was 3 times older than his son 10 years ago. If the son is 22 years of age now, what is the father's age? Answer A 46 years, answer B 52 years, answer C 44 years, answer D 48 years. Question 6. A dishonest milkman purchases milk at rupees 50 per litre and sell it at same price after mixing 10% of water. He earns rupees 500. How much milk did he sold? Answer A 110 liter, answer B 90 liter, answer C 120 liters and answer D is 200 liters. Question 7. A stone is dropped from the top of a building. It falls freely and touches the ground after 3 seconds. How tall the building is? Take G is equal to 10 meter per second square. Answer A is 30 meter, answer B 35 meter, C 45 meter and D is 50 meter. Question 8. 1/7 of a figure is 10 less than 2/5 of another. If one figure is 100, find the another one. Answer A 200, B 300, C 210 and D is 280. Question 9. The cost of 5 pens and 10 pencils is rupees 160 and the cost of 10 pens and 5 pencils is 230. The cost of one pencil is answer A rupees 5, answer B 6, C 7 and answer D rupees 8. Question 10. The angle of depression of the top of a building is 45 degree, which is located 100 feet away. The height of the building is answer A 200 feet, answer B 100 feet, answer C 150 feet, and answer D is 80 feet. Now you can check your answers. Question number 1. The train will reach 5 hours late. Question number 2. The tiger is slowest. Question number 3. The tag price is 500 rupees. Question number 4. Answer is D 500 400. Question number 5. The father says is 46 years. Question number 6. He sell 110 liters of milk. Question number 7. The height of the building is 45 meter. Question number 8. The another figure is C 210. Question number 9. The pencil cost is rupees 6. And question number 10. The height of the building is 100 feet.